Bitcoin holders, insanity is coming. It's right around the corner. Do you feel it? If you're paying even the slightest bit of attention, you should. If you don't, this is me telling you, you should feel it. Here's what's going on. This is not a bad thing. This is not a sky is falling, Bitcoin insanity is coming. It's exactly the opposite. Good insanity is coming. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button below if you haven't already done so. On Twitter, if you're watching this, please hit that follow button. Here's the deal. Bitcoin has been quietly creeping up 2, 3, 4, 5%. You can see right here in the last 7 days, it's up 13%. By the way, that's a buy alert coming from my trading indicator X1 algo that I spent 10 grand building. There's a link in the description below if you want to try it out. It takes the blinders off, helps you know when to buy and when to sell any and all cryptos. Like here's Dogecoin. 7 days ago, gave a buy alert, 27% up. $1,000 bought, made you a profit of $274 in 7 days. Not a bad day at the office. Bitcoin right there, buy alert. Give it a look. Links in the description below. If you're watching this on X, it's above me. There's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. Bitcoin is going to hit 150, 200,000 in the next 5-6 months. I'm saying probably by the end of Q1 2025. It's gonna happen. The run has been delayed. See this chart over on the right. See this blue box that says 26 bars, 182 days. We were supposed to be out, and this bar represents this pink box. We were supposed to have been out of this pink box at about 168 days. Okay. If you go back and look over on the left, this is 2020 cycle. This was the halving cycle in 2020. That pink box lasted, I believe, about 165 days approximately. And then we entered into the green box, the parabolic run, where we saw Bitcoin go from 11,000 to its all-time high of 68,000 over the remainder of 2020 and 2021. Yep, you heard me right. 11 to 68,000. See this green box in the upper right-hand corner? We're not there yet. Insanity is a coming. It's a right around the corner. It is. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Okay. It's almost here and you can feel it. Bitcoin will surge to 170,000. This is something you need to be aware of. If the trend line, 21-day EMA trend line holds, we've got to close above 67,285 by the end of October. We're pretty readily doing that. Now, we will get some pullback days. We will have some days where we're going to come back a little bit. The market's been running continuously. You can see it right here. The market's been up since right there. Let's see, about the 11th. Yeah, about 7 days. Duh, from where your blue box is, Austin. From the 11th. Yeah. Okay. Will Bitcoin hit 75 in the next 10 days of October? I think it will. There's a strong possibility. By the way, I'm going to buy more Bitcoin. And I want to tell you a little anecdote here. I saw a tweet from Michael Saylor. You know, we all know who Michael is, right? The CEO of MicroStrategy. Michael Saylor personally owns $1 billion of Bitcoin, his personal money. That's not the MicroStrategy money. He personally owns $1 billion worth of Bitcoin. And he said in an interview, it seems like he's always being interviewed, which I love that. He said in an interview, and I'm quoting, that I will always buy Bitcoin at the top. Michael Saylor, who owns $1 billion of Bitcoin, said, and I quote, I will always buy Bitcoin at the top. He's buying Bitcoin now. Why? Because he knows, or he sees, he's been out there talking about Bitcoin going to 13 million. So buying Bitcoin at 68,000 and change, pretty darn good deal. I will always buy Bitcoin at the top. I've been considering buying some more Bitcoin. And when I saw that quote, I'm like, Austin, your little Peasley amount of Bitcoin, measly amount, Peasley's not a word, measly. I'm mixing up my words today. Measly amount of Bitcoin that you're going to buy, nothing compared to what your buddy Michael over there's got. Personally got $1 billion, and he's still buying at the top. Buy some more damn Bitcoin, Austin. It's going to be insane. This run is going to be fun. And by the way, we all know it's going to drag everything else along with it. I mean, all the other major cryptos are going to roll up with it. We all know this, guys. It's going to happen. This is a good thing. So freaking excited. This last 2 years have been tough. They have been. Although Bitcoin's done well. It's had its cycles and all that kind of stuff. But it's been hard. 22 and 23. And quite frankly, a lot of 24. I'm ready to be out of it. Ready to be into a bull run. How about you? Links in the description below. Try out my software. You got nothing to lose. Don't begrudge me $1 a day if it helps you make even more money, if it helps you make profit every single day on short-term, mid-term trading on Bitcoin or any other cryptos. By the way, you can also use it for stocks. It works for any stocks out there as well. It runs on any mobile phone. It runs on computers, all that kind of stuff. Give it a look later.